When I met you, my world shifted. The gravity around me felt like it had physically moved.
Seeing the sun go down again, staying in my bed for too long now. Heard you were out last night, my friend.
I feel like all my senses have been enhanced since meeting you. The breeze against my skin, the smell of the blossoming flowers. We've had some wonderful adventures together already, and there's so much more. I thought I was fulfilled these past few years. I thought I was living. But as I've experienced these past few years, with you, I realized I was lonely and ignorant. However, I wouldn't trade a single moment of being lonely and ignorant because it's ultimately what led me to you. I promise to be your foundation. I promise to never judge you. And I promise to do my best to keep logic high when emotion has entered the conversation. You are my queen. You are my life. And I love you.
You make me stronger. You encourage me to pursue my dreams, to be the person that I am meant to be, always and forever.
It's